Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Let's find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. I'll pick this one and then tap on edit in the right upper corner. So now we have to simply tap on add photo, and as you can see we can choose between avatar and poster. So basically the avatar is simply the photo itself and the poster is the background color which will be in the background. So let me focus on the avatar, and here we can choose something from our own photos. After tapping on this option we can either immediately open the camera app, so we will be able to take a photo of someone who's right in front of us, or we can choose something from our gallery. We can also use monogram, Memoji or emoji. It's completely up to you. I think I will pick maybe Memoji. So just tap on this specific option, and here we've got the options from which we can choose, and I don't know, maybe this giraffe option or maybe this owl. I think it's cute. So just find the option which you wish to use and then tap on next. So as you can see, we've got our all inside this circle. Now we can choose something from the suggestions if you wish. Maybe this one or this one is cute. You can enter emojis again, I mean Memojis, and change the face if you wish. You can frame it. So after tapping on this specific option, let me show it to you again, right in the middle, you will be able to zoom in or out the photo just like that and change the position of it. So unfortunately it is not well visible, but here we've got the circle, highlighted circle, which is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. Now you can see it. So as I said, position it just like you want to, and then tap on this tick icon. And here you can change the background color, so just choose whatever you want. It's completely up to you. Then let's tap on choose in the right upper corner, and here we've got our photo or Memoji set. So let's simply tap on the stick icon. All right, and tap on done. And here we've got our contact. So let's tap on the stick icon again, and as you can see, we've got our photo as a contact picture applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.